Hi, welcome to International Institute of Cosmetology. Come on in.
Hey, my name is Catalina and I've been in cosmetology school for 2 years. I'm about to graduate next week, which I'm really excited. I had amazing friends, amazing educators that helped me so much through this time.
My name is Michaela. I'm a student at the IIC here in Wethersfield, and my main purpose of wanting to be here is because I want to make people feel good about themselves. And when I was a senior in high school, I decided to go to college, get a degree in healthcare, and after working in the healthcare field for a few years, I slowly started to realize that that just wasn't really what I wanted to do. I wasn't able to make people feel good about themselves in the way that I wanted to. So that's why I decided to get into this field, because as one of our instructors here, Miss Karen, always says, this field, it's not always what people think about you or whatever, it's how you make them feel, and that's what's going to make them want to come back to you.
One of the things I really like about school, my educators really help me through everything. If I have any questions, even the smaller things, they're always there to help me. So never scared to question anything.
Hi, my name is Madison. I've been into makeup since I was 10 years old. I have dealt with acne pretty much since I was a teenager, and I'm also really excited to meet some new friends, and it seems like so far it's going really well.
Hi, my name's Lauren. I'm a student at International Institute of Cosmetology in Wethersfield. I always loved doing beauty, but for some reason I never thought of hair school as an option. But my hairdresser, Kelly, I love her. She has always made me feel so beautiful.
So, passion for this industry literally comes directly from the heart. If you don't love it, you can't do it. So moving yourself forward and trying to build and grow is continuous. The passion is just a love that you can't explain, something that I've been doing since I was 14 years old.
I've always been super passionate about makeup, super passionate about skincare, and just seeing the environment and how everything was, it really drew me to want to apply and be here.
I'm so happy I made that decision. I'm so happy for my hairdresser. I'll be so sad to leave. I'm so sad to leave all my friends, but I'm really so grateful for everything and everybody here. It's been a great time, honestly.
Finding the International Institute of Cosmetology and kind of finding a place that I actually wanted to be, learning the things that I wanted to learn and do in real life, it really impacted me for the better, and I'm super excited to go on this journey and see what it can bring me.
I think the love never ends for what you truly find in your heart that brings you joy.